As the sun rises over the Main, the European Central Bank begins its work, steering the economic future of millions.
The sheets look flawless. Good, keep the rollers calibrated. Automation is speeding up the process significantly. The holographic elements here provide excellent security.
Let's refine the Renaissance bridge design for better readability.
Keep an eye on the fiber distribution. Parameters look good, roller speed is optimal. Initiating the watermark check now. The pressure looks perfect. Let's increase the speed slightly to maintain the output goal. Verified, speed initiated. The calibration is holding steady.
Good.
Good, let's send the next batch through. Zoom in on the Urion constellation.
Yeah.
Notice the registration error at the edge of the pattern.
Consistent across all test samples. Possible counterfeit.
This batch seems off. Initiate rejection protocol. Verified. Removing from the line now.
The banknote has withstood 1,200 folds.
We're seeing minimal deterioration on the edges.
Look at the readings here. Are we within tolerance?
Yes, but just barely. I recommend a slight pressure adjustment on the rollers.
The cuts look perfect. Maintaining the current speed. Continue monitoring the flow. Everything is running smoothly. The numbers are verifying instantly. Excellent. Maintain the throughput.
Line up on the rail, driver. Confirmation requested on containers A, B, and C. Verified. Lock them down.
Alert on route Gamma 4. Copy. Diverting traffic. Standby.
Check feed 7.
Status green.
Proceed with the unloading. Verification complete. Gate closing.
Here's the bill.
Thank you.
Have a nice trip.
The bundles are ready for loading. Scanning now. Everything is verified. Locking the cassette. Finished.
The banknote is transported over the sensors and through the final set of rollers towards the dispenser.
The advanced authentication system analyzes the €50 banknote, verifying every security feature with UV.
The current batch is fully verified. Excellent. Move it to storage. Check the serial numbers on this one. Verified. Transferring now.
Dodelanieno schiaparacede. Stamo că ezi vela stărui paratin velinte steflemi iada piroglasti manietări vede. Nu truciu acolicni parmiaplicum nalacun la cap.
The euro stability is reaching critical levels.
Cross-reference the Greek sovereign debt.
Monitor the outflow in Frankfurt. Urgent.
The sensor arrays are active.
Damage.
Damage detected on lane 2. Divert the worn notes to the retirement stack.
The system is functioning optimally, processing the fibers within tolerance. Excellent. Maintain that throughput. Verified. The output quality is superb.
The watermark reveals a high level of sophistication.
Move to the emerald number. Analyze the color shift under UV light.
Data matches the security profile.
The advanced vision system scans for microscopic imperfections. Real-time data confirms the banknote's authenticity. The watermark on the genuine note is crisp.
Notice the bleed on the counterfeit's hologram?
Confirmed, the IR absorption matches the database.
Europe stands at a crossroads. The decisions made here will shape the next generation.
Trucks are here. Start the authentication. Confirming identities. Proceed to turnstiles. Containers secured. Initiate transfer to vaults. Vault doors opening. Prepare for unload. Keep the change.
Oh, thank you.
Is this enough? Yes, that's perfect.
Just this one, please.
Coming right up. The infrared thread is consistent. Check the microprinting here. It's missing the shift.
Here at Euromint, we're developing the next generation of anti-counterfeit technology. The holographic stabilization on the 500 series is performing within parameters.
The details are correct. Acknowledged. Proceeding. The primary mixing is complete.
Viscosity and color consistency are within parameters.
Initiating the robotic dispensing sequence now. The banknote proceeds to the X-ray inspection. Structural integrity verified. Optical sensors engaging. Holographic alignment confirmed.
The Euro area needs these shipments immediately. Confirmed. Loading the first security container now. Status report shows all lanes are green.
The automated packaging line processes millions of euros daily. Robotic arms meticulously apply security bands and barcode. Dawn breaks over the European currency hub. This armored convoy begins its high-stakes journey across the continent.
Voulez-vous ces pêches? Parfait, merci. Voici. Grazie. Enjoy your trip. Dankeschön. 2 tickets, please. Yes, here you go.
The laser is creating a significant diffraction pattern on the hologram.
Record the spectrum data now.
Excellent, the details are sharp.
The reference drawer is secured.
Bringing it down to the work surface.
Ready for comparison.
Antistift etc. The 50 € banknote is a marvel of microscopic engineering. Layers of felted cotton, embedded metal. The holographic strip measurement is stabilizing now.
Good. The watermark texture anomaly is within tolerance.
The Europa watermark is created through precise fiber density control.
Observe how the cotton fibers arranged.
The heart of the operation, where precision meets production on a massive scale. Billions are born here.
Detection confirmed. Engage robotic arm. Commencing destruction sequence.
The Eurozone's cutting-edge facility. We're comparing the genuine article with a sophisticated counterfeit. Watch the AI detect the holographic patch failure. A definitive match. Fraudulent.
Rotate the prototype 45 degrees. Let's examine the substrate reaction to the AI scan.
Initiating rotation. The security threads are fully active.
For us, thank you.
Thank you. This is the last one.
Excellent.